Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and then let me know in the comments what you think about this. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and this is of a Lansley, and this is a professional wax removal kit. And one thing before we unbox it that you should pay attention to is the expiration date for the contents inside. This one is for 2024, so it's good to go for a long time. So let's see what comes inside. So you have the device here. Let's see. And it does come with some oils. This is for like the pre-wax before. And this is just the device here, so you can see kind of how it is normally. And then the temperature is up in the front. So let's take a look and see what we have inside. And this is another of the oils that they have, and this is for the after waxing. So you have the pre-wax and then the one afterwards. And it does come with all the different beads, the wax beads. So you get, let's see how many bags. 1, 2, 3. You get 3 bags of the wax beads. And then these are the hard wax beans. They give you a bag of this as well. They give you several gloves that you have for the kit itself. Some of the application sticks for it. And I guess these are for when you're applying it as well. And then of course, the instruction manual. So I picked this one up on Amazon. I will be posting the link in the description. And then let me know what you think and see if you're going to pick one up for yourself. Thank you.